Hello guys, welcome to Compage and this is Radhe Mittal. So guys, in the previous video I taught you about a Python code and I also showed you a web page, my web page that I created, and hopefully I got some of the replies from my subscribers on the topics of web page. I'm very happy with this, but I require more topics for the creation of web page. Now guys, moving ahead, in the today's video I'll be teaching you about creating a list in HTML. So guys, in the previous video I think I have taught you about there are four types of lists in HTML, namely the unordered list, the ordered list, the nested list, and the description list. I hope I have taught you about. If I haven't, I will be teaching about. And today we will be focusing on creating an unordered list, because I have taught you how to create an ordered list in the previous video, right? So let's get started. So guys, there was some problem in my notepad that it was not opening. So I am opening notepad on Chrome, via Chrome. So let's open notepad opener. I am typing notepad opener, and here is notepad online notes here. So okay, this is my notepad. There was some error, my notepad wasn't opening. Right guys, here we can do our coding in HTML. Just we need to apply our tags and it will open the notepad, right? So let's start. First let me tell you about the four types of list. So guys, the first type of list is ordered list. Right? Ordered list, it allows you to create lists in order. Mainly what it is, it allows you to add numbers in the respective or the mentioned items, right? Basically what it allows is, here is spelling mistake, mentioned, right? What it allows you to create lists like this. At number 1 it's like pen, number 2 it's pencil, and number 3 is eraser. Like this it allows you to create lists, right? Now moving to the second type of list. The second type of list is unordered list that we'll be discussing today. Unordered list allows you to create lists that aren't in an order. For example, it will like this, that it will print a square box or a dot like this, and then write pen, not dot like this. When I will be creating, I will be showing you what type of dot. In the middle like pen, then pencil, then eraser, right? This is the type of unordered list. Now moving to third type of list. The third type of list is nested list. Nested list is a type of list that allows you to create a list that contains both the ordered and the unordered list. One more thing, it can also contain description lists. What is description list? I will be telling you just after this. Description list, like for example, it can print like one is pen, pen, and here it can print like pen description list. Example, pen, used pen, then 2 like pencil, then 3 eraser, right? And then these are the example of ordered list. And then it can also have the nested list also, pen, then pencil, eraser, then geometry box, and etc etc. But it means it can have all the 3 types of list. Nested list means, nested in computer, basically nested, the term nested means the mixture of all the things. Like in loops, when we make loops, there are certain types of loops like while, when, and do loop, and do, for loop, these types of loops. Nested loops is a loop that have all, that can contain all the types of loops, right? Nested mainly means that has all the types of things. Moving to the fourth type. Fourth type is description list. Description list. Now what description list? It allows you to create a list that has a description of any term, right? For example, let us write keyboard. It's like a keyboard, and then description list does like is keyboard. It is a hardware, right? It is a hardware, right? Hardware. Then it can write keyboard done. Then Python. Python. It is a programming language, like this. So these are the types of lists, and you can these are types of lists you can make in HTML. And today I will be focusing on the creation of unordered lists in HTML. So let us erase all this, let us clear all this, and move towards the creation of unordered lists. So guys, one more thing I want to add, that as in Python we used to write titles, right? Like we used to write hashtag, and then to create, and what we have to write, that's right. Here's a spelling mistake again. To create, right? In HTML also we can write the comment line. For comments line we need to write some, like we can write for comments line HTML. It will not be printed in output. Just if we wanna separate the text, that here we are writing something else, and here we are writing something else, and we wanna separate them, we can write comment lines. Comment lines are written by using these tags. First the angle brace, then exclamatory mark, and then 3 dash, right? And it's the starting, right? I have to write this, and I have a Radha. Then I have to close it with 3 dash, 1 2 3, and an angle brace. This is the comment line that will not be printed in the output of the HTML. So we will be using it. So let's first open HTML, right? Then head, and then we are writing title, title, title. And what the title is, creating unordered lists, lists, right? One mistake, you have to close title also, title, title closed. Then opening body, we'll be closing head first, right? HEAD, head. Now opening body. We can write a comment line here if we want, otherwise there is no use for writing comment line. Just I am telling you, comment line unordered, and the closing of comment line. It's closed. I'll show you to not be printed in the output. Unordered list here we have printed. Now we'll be opening UL. UL stands for unordered list, right? Hope you are understanding what I am making or I'm trying to teach. UL, right? Now printing the list items. LI stands for list items. LI stands for list items, right? LI stands for list items, and it's a UL is a container tag. Now what is container tag? Container tags are the tags. Let me write it here so that you are not confused. What are container tag? Container tags. These are the tags that have both the closing, that have both the opening and closing tags, right? For example, HTML is a container tag, right? And UL is a container tag, OL is a container tag, and body is a container tag, and many more, right? There are two types of tags. The first kind is container tag. The second kind is empty tag. What is empty tag? These are the tags. These are the tags that have only opening tags, not the closing tags. For example, we can write LI. LI is the best example in my eyes for the empty tag, right? Now moving to our web page, our list. UL container tag. First I need to erase it. I'll be getting the unordered list for the list of space agencies in the world. So let's start. LI ISRO, R space agency, then LI CNSA, China space agency, then LI NASA, American space agency, then LI SpaceX, America space agency, then LI ESA, European space agency, then LI CSA, Canadian space agency, then LI Roscosmos, Russian space agency, and I think these are enough. Then closing UL, closing body. I hope you know that the tags you open at the last are closed first, right? Closing body, and at the last closing HTML. Right guys, now we'll be saving it. It's saving, then open. So guys, here it is: ISRO, CNSA, NASA, SpaceX, ESA, CSA, Roscosmos. One more thing, we can add many things, we can create many things in it. Let us see. So guys, here you can see that there are dots, right? You can see that these are dots. Before ISRO there is a dot, CNSA there is a dot, and before everything there is a dot. So guys, in UL, let me write, in unordered lists, there are three types. There are three types of designs we can view in our output. Three types of designs. namely they are: first is disk, disc, disk. Second is circle, and the third is square. These three we can apply in our output. So to apply these, we need to go on UL, then type TYPE, UL type. Now it's our wish, you need to type disk, circle or square. I'll be showing you with all the three. DISC, disk. This is the disk, and now saving it. Control S for save. It's saving, and then open. Oh, I forgot to erase it. First let me erase it, otherwise it will be shown in the output. Okay, now creating another. I need to save it, I think, again. I'm crossing it, right? Control S, and then open. Here it's square, circles, it's disk, right? Now we can replace this also. You can type SQARE, square. Control S, let it save, open. Here is square, it has replaced the disk, and it is now square. We can also replace square with the circle. Then Control S, let it be saved. Control S. Now it's circle. We can also increase the size of our output. That it's now it's very small. You can also here type one more tag. It's font size, and we can equate it to, let's say, 6. It has to be in quotes. 6, angle braces closed, and it's a container tag, empty tag. Font size is 6. It's saving, it's saved, then open. ISRO, CNSA, NASA, SpaceX, right? It's very big now. You can add background also. Background is added in body. BG color is, let's say, pink. Control S. It's a main disadvantage that we have to download again and again. Notepad we need only web page. Yeah, so it's the background is now pink. So guys, this is for today, and in the next video I'll be teaching you obviously about Python, and I need some more suggestions for the creation of web page, and I am looking for the creation of web page. So guys, and one more thing, I have one more news for you guys, that today I have opened my output in Chrome, right? But previously we used to open our output in Internet Explorer. So guys, there is a news that Internet Explorer is expiring on 15th of June, right? 15th of June 2022. And after it is expired, we'll be using either Firefox. We can use Firefox also. We can use Chrome also. We can use Microsoft Edge also, because Microsoft Edge is replacing Internet Explorer. So Internet Explorer this was the only news, that Internet Explorer is expiring on 15th June 2022. So thank you for watching today's video guys, and keep learning. Thanks.